Preview.
In this video, I will talk about HTML layout and elements. HTML provides a lot of elements to create a layout of your choice. Basically, a layout made with HTML consists of header, footer, nav, section, division, etc. In our later videos, we will see how to create layouts of different types with HTML. HTML describes the structure of web pages. On the right hand side, we have a sample code, and on the left hand side you can see the output. When we will save this file and run it on our browser, it will render as follows. So this is an example of HTML layout which is constructed using HTML tags or elements. You can see tags like HTML, head, body, h1p, h2 we have used in this example. Each HTML tag holds some information which is rendered by the browser. The information kept within the opening and closing tag. An HTML tag can also hold some attributes. Attributes are basically used to add more information to a specific tag. In HTML, tags and elements are the same thing. There are two types of elements available in HTML: inline elements and block level elements. In case of inline elements, suppose you are adding two images one after another, then those two images will be rendered by the browser parallelly on the same row. Block elements basically take up the entire width and always start a new line.